Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to handle missing vowels, filtering and filling missing vowels. Panda use an A to present missing vowels. So we are going to filter missing vowels and to fill missing vowels. Now, as you can see, NA rows, those are the rows with missing vowels. I assume that you have loaded your data on Jupyter Notebook. Data.drop NA, put a bracket, put a comment. This will delete rows with missing vowels. Now you can see our two rows with missing vowels have been deleted. Data, another way to deal or to filter missing vowels, data.drop NA, brackets, axis is equal to 1, put a comment. This will delete columns with missing values. Any column with missing values or any column with missing value will be dropped. As you can see, our second row, which was called point, is dropped. Add your cell. Yes. Data.drop NA, put a bracket, axis is equal to 0. Put a comment. This will delete all rows with missing vowels. Now you can see our two rows with missing vowels have been dropped. Data dot drop NA, put a bracket, how, single quote, NA. This is to say that you want to delete any column and rows with missing vowels. Delete rows with missing vowels. After learning this cell, you can see our two rows with missing vowels have been deleted. Now, that is how you can filter missing vowels. Now we are going to learn how to fill in missing vowels. The function being used is fillna. Though it have different arguments, it have different option, and here I'm going to teach you. Data.fillna, put bracket 0. This will fill missing data with val 0. After running your cell, you will notice that all rows with NA cell will be filled with val 0. Add another cell. data.fill na put a bracket 5 comma impress is equal to true, means we want to fill our missing vals with value number 5. We fill in missing data with value number 5. After learning this cell, you will see that all rows and columns with NA val is or are filled with value number 5. Display first 5 rows with data.head. You can see these rows are filled with number 5. Data.fill NA put a bracket method single quote no delete data dot mean. We want to fill missing vals with their mean of their column. Put a comment. This will fill missing data with column mean. This is pretty cool, pretty good. You fill missing val with the mean of column. Now run your loaded data and rerun your cell. Now you can see the mean of column point is 25. It is filled in. Add a new cell. Data dot fill na. Put a bracket. Method is equal to single quote fill a fill forward fill. This fill missing vals with fill missing data with forward value. Now you can see, if you run this cell, you can see the second row have missing val. It will be filled with 40, which is forward val. Now you can see here there is a 40, below there is a 35. That is method called forward fill. You fill the missing val with its forward value. Data.fill na put bracket method is equal to single quote bfill. This is called the backward fill. You fill a certain row with missing value by using its back or its previous value. This will fill missing data with forward value. Run your cell. Now you can see row number 1 is filled with 35, which is backward value. That's it. Add a new cell. Data dot fillna, put bracket, method is equal to ffill, forward fill, put comma, limit is equal to 2. This means you make forward fill 2 times. It means the level of forward fill will be 2. It will fill only 2 missing values with forward value. Forward fill, this will make forward fill 2 times. Yes, it will make forward fill 2 times. Data dot fillna, put a bracket, method is equal to backward fill, single quote, comma, limit is equal to 1. It means you are doing backward fill 1 time. So it is going to make backward fill 1 time. Thanks for watching. The next video about Python pandas will be uploaded tomorrow at 2 p.m. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for next video update.
Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.